This brief video is to show you how to log in to our class Voicethread area. You'll notice up at the top here is the URL that is specific to our class. So just click on the link that I sent you, or you can copy and paste it into your browser. Okay, then you're going to come up here to sign in or register. You don't need to register because I have already created the account for you. Okay, this is where you're going to put in the information that I gave you. You're going to use your virtual school account username. And then when you type that in here where it says email, it's going to come up with a funny looking email address that seems like it is an email just for this, and that's fine. It's supposed to do that, so let me show you what that would look like. Okay, once I basically just typed in a username, the one that I sent you, or the one that is your virtual school username, which is normally your first initial, last name, and a numeral, a digit here. Okay, and then it popped up with this email address. It will do that automatically. Okay, and then the password I provided you is 123456. You can change that later if you wish, and then you just click sign in. Okay, it's coming up to the My Voice page. Okay, and then you're going to come over here to organizations. This is our class page, and you're going to click on SCVSP, Mrs. Faircloth, AP US History is what it stands for. Okay, and then you'll see voice threads that are linked to our class. The one that we're currently working on and starting with for the current unit is this one on the sectional crisis. It's not labeled with the unit on it, but that is the one we're currently working on. It's basically about the sectional crisis leading up to the Civil War. Now, you can do lots of things with this. The key with Voicethread is to have fun with it and be creative. You click on it, and when you first click in, you have the option to add your picture to this identity, or it gives you an avatar. You can add a picture later if you wish. If you don't want to, you don't have to. However, it is completely safe to do so because this whole Voicethread area is not public. It is completely private, and it is not out on the web where anyone else could access it. So it would only be your classmates and I that see it if you do wish to use a picture. If not, you don't have to. And it will display your first name and last initial. Okay, then the way you work with a voice thread, of course, is you make a comment. Now, you can use your microphone on your computer. And another option, here's the comment that I made. Okay, we'll stop that for a second. There it showed you the typed version here. Okay, and click there on the comment. Okay, you can you have the option to use your keyboard. I would prefer that you try to do one of the other methods. You can use the microphone on your computer. You can use your webcam if you have a laptop that's got one built in, or if you happen to want to do it that way, you certainly can. A lot of you won't want to do that. I understand that. That's fine. Or you can use your phone. So if you don't have an easily accessible microphone, you can use your phone to make a comment. Okay, I can see here that I need to give your account more minutes, and I'll go ahead and do that so that those of you who want to use the phone to comment can. So you'll be able to do that as an option. I prefer to have one of the audio options. Okay, you can also add pictures to your voice thread. And I'll try to give a separate tutorial on how to do that if you would like to do that. But what we're trying to do is have a lively and interesting discussion.